Today in this class we are going to discuss about question number 8, exercise 11.4, surface area and volume. Observe this question. A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. Dome of a building is in the form of what? Hemisphere. Clear? From inside was whitewashed. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96. If the cost of whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, find the inside surface area of the dome. Observe, simple question. What about its solution? Observe carefully. A dome of a building is in a form of hemisphere. Dome is in a dome. What is the meaning of the dome? Dome is what? Gumbad. Dome is what? Gumbad. And that one is in the shape of what? Hemisphere. Clear? Dome was whitewashed at the cost of. Dome was whitewashed at the cost of this one. Whitewashing cost of the dome is what? This one. Total cost is this one. If the cost of the whitewashing is rupees 2 per square meter, for whitewashing per square meter charge is what? 2 rupees. Clear? So what will be the surface area of the dome? So what about the solution of the first? Surface area of the dome, surface area of the dome will be what? This will be what? Surface area of a dome will be what? We are having total cost for whitewashing we are having, and this will be what? 400 total cost. So what we can say? We can write surface area will be cost of whitewashed divided of cost of whitewashing per square meter per square meter. Clear? So surface area of a dome inside surface area will be what? Total cost of the whitewashing divided of per square meter cost of whitewashing. So we are having total cost is what? Rupees 498.96 divided of per square meter cost is 2 rupees. Clear? So what we are getting? 2 rupees per square cost is what? 2 rupees. Once we solve this one, what we are getting? 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 1 is remaining, 2 9 ja 18, point 2 4 ja 8, 1 is remaining, 2 8 ja 16 rupees. This is not rupees, this is the what? Surface area of the dome. Observe, in the question we are having hemispherical dome. Its cost for whitewashing is given us, and cost for whitewashing per square meter we are having. We required surface area of the dome will be what? Total cost divided of cost of per square meter. Then finally we are getting what? Surface area. This is cost of what? Whitewashing total cost, and this one is per square meter cost. We are dividing, we are getting surface area of the dome. This is the answer for question number 8, first one. Now volume of the surface, volume of the air inside the dome. What will be the air inside the dome? It means we will find the volume, and dome is in a shape of hemisphere, so we will use volume of a hemisphere formula. What about the solution of second one? Surface area of the dome, and dome is in the shape of hemisphere, equal to what? 249.48 meter square. This is surface area we obtain for the dome. So surface area of a dome is a hemisphere, so surface area of a hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square, equal to 249.48 meter square. Clear? Solve for the r square can be written as 249.48 divided of 2 pi, and pi is what? 22 into 7. Once we solve this one, what we are getting? Once we solve this one, we multiply both and solve, then what we are getting? Its answer will be 39.69. Now what about the value of r? R is the radius of a hemisphere or dome. This will be the square root of 39.69, and its square root value will be what? 6.3. 6.3 meter will be what? Radius of a dome. Radius we obtain. Observe what we are doing. We are having in the question cost of whitewashing in a dome. Inside the dome, cost of whitewashing is what? This one given us. Per square meter cost we are having. So total cost divided by per square meter cost will be the surface area of the dome. Clear? Surface area of a dome, it is in the hemisphere form, so surface area of a hemisphere will be equal to this one we obtained. So what is the surface area of a hemisphere? 2 pi r square, equal to this one. Solve for the r, we are getting this value. Clear? Now in the second one we want volume of the air inside. Volume we want. So volume of the air inside the dome. Dome is in a shape of hemisphere, so volume of a hemisphere. Volume of a sphere is the 4/3 pi r cube. So for the hemisphere, volume will be what? 2/3 pi r cube. This is what? Volume of the air inside the dome. This is the formula. Volume of a hemisphere, this one. We obtain r, so put the values 2/3 into 22/7 into r is what? 6.3. 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. Solve this one. There will be the 10. Remove this point, we are getting 1000. Now 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and 3 1 ja 3. 7 1 ja 7, 7 3 ja 21. Clear? Then multiply this one. This is the 44 into 22 into 2, 44 into 3 into 63 into 63, and divided of 1000. Solve and divide, then we are getting answer. That one is what? Normal multiplication. Do and divide by 1000. We will replace directly. We will directly convert in the decimal form. Only multiplication is required. So what we are getting? 523.908 meter cube, approximate answer. Once we multiply and divide, then we are getting 523.908 meter cube. This will be the volume of the air inside the dome. Observe again what we are doing in this question. Simple question. Dome is in a shape of hemisphere given in the question. We are doing what? Whitewashing. So charge for the whitewashing, cost for the whitewashing is what? 498.96 rupees, and per square meter cost is what? 2 rupees. So surface area of the dome, surface area will be what? Total cost divided by per square meter cost. Solving, we are getting surface area of a dome, and surface area is in the form of what? Dome, surface area of a dome. So we can say surface area of a hemisphere is what? 2 pi r square, and it is equal to this one. Solve for the r, and we are getting radius of a hemisphere we obtained. Now in the second one we want what? Volume of the air inside the dome. So volume of a hemisphere is what? 2/3 pi r cube. We obtain r from the surface area of a dome. Then we are putting that value in this formula, and solving we are getting what? Volume of the air inside the dome will be what? 523.908 meter cube will be what? Volume of the air inside the dome. Simple question. I hope you understand this question. That's all about this question. Thank you so much.